Alright everybody, are you ready to shoot out some fireworks?
Oh yeah, Tinky Winky. I'm so excited. Me too. I'm like totally ready.
Yeah, same here.
Alright, so I have the first firework here, so I'm going to light it up.
Alright, Tinky Winky, you do that and we'll watch.
Twinkle, winkle, Tinky Winky, twinkle, winkle, Tinky. Okay, get the lighter here, and here it is. Alright, time to light this up. Alright. Alright everybody, let's watch the show.
Alright.
Whoa!
Wow, that was awesome.
Yeah, it was so beautiful.
Yeah, I liked it. Me too.
Well, it was okay.
Okay, what do you mean?
I mean, it was just a boom. Like that.
So?
It needs to be bigger. Bigger.
Well, alright, I'll just light the next fireworks then.
Okay, you do that.
Alright. Let's fire it up. Alright, let's see this one.
Hopefully this one is better than the last one.
Wow!
Ooh.
That was beautiful.
Nice.
Well, it was better.
Better? That was the best.
Well, it still needs to be bigger. I just love the sound of those fireworks.
Me too, Cupcake.
Well, I'm going to light the next one. So, I'll be right back.
Alright, hopefully that one's better.
Okay. Alright. Let's see this one.
Hopefully this one's going to be good.
Whoa!
That was amazing. I loved it.
It was like totally beautiful.
I loved it. It was beautiful.
Well, now it's a little better than the last one.
Come on, Dipsy, you know that was the best one.
It was good and all, I agree, but I want it to be even better, like a explosion with pew 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 and boom. Kinda like that.
Well, alright, Dipsy, but I'm just gonna light up the last one.
Hopefully that one is the biggest one of all. I want a big firework, a very big firework.
Well, we'll just have to see, Dipsy.
I hope it is.
Alright, this is the last firework, and I'm sure this one will have the biggest explosion ever up in the sky, Dipsy.
Oh, hey Tinky Winky,
Yes?
since you said big explosion,
Yeah?
can I light the last firework?
No, Dipsy. I'm in charge of lighting the fireworks.
Oh, come on! I really want to light up the fireworks since you said big, huge firework explosion.
No, Dipsy. This is a job for me. I'm in charge of lighting fireworks.
I guess so. Can I just at least watch?
Okay. Right. Let me get this started. There we go, it's lit up.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh no!
Run away!
Wow!
Oh no, what did you two do this time?
Dipsy decided to knock over the firework.
It was an accident, Tinky Winky. Ah, Bibbly Cheese. Oh, my cherry sprinkles! My garden!
Whoa! That was amazing, but I'm really sorry about your garden. Yeah, that's lousy, Bibbly Cheese.
I love that explosion. It was like boom, 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 and crash, and grrr. It was fire. Really good fire. Fire. And by the way, literally, look.
Oh, well, looks like we have to get the garden hose. I'll be right back.
Yeah, you do that and I'll watch the show right here.
Dipsy!
Oh, there, I got rid of all the fire. From now on, let's just look for fireworks instead of getting firework rockets.
Yeah, I kinda agree with that. Yeah.
You know what? Same here. Besides, I feel bad for your garden, Cupcake. That's like, okay.
Yeah, anyway, it's getting late. Let's go back inside.
Yeah, but it's still the best 4th of July ever, right, guys? Right? Okay, let's just go inside.